We are here at Joseph Estate. I will take you right now to Dorcas Homes. You can call it Dorcas Estate. You see, say for this new Banana Highland there. Hey, better full and well, different estate. Boku. See the land everywhere. Boku. Everywhere makes sense, and everywhere they shine like this. Make you just call me on 0903429659 so that you go collect your plots. Can you see how big the land is? Oh, the land is so big and the land is green. Oh. All right, that's so. See them, my guys now. They are making sure that there is nobody trespassing on this land. So, as you buy your land, you go sleep, you collect your documents. Physically, security, they guide them. This one na estate, and for new Banana Highland, not be any place. You understand me, so? So quickly and sharply call me on 0903429659 to collect your own plot. I dey wait for you.